I'm PJ Steffen, principal of Steffen Design Studio. Welcome to West SoHo. I'm extremely excited to present one of our latest projects to you, one of the most exquisite properties in downtown New York. Built in 1910, we gutted the entire building to construct our client's ideal living space, which was influenced by Art Deco design. We designed a sleek update that achieves a modern take on this classic design era. Let's check it out. In my designs, I love to wow people as they enter a space. So we assembled a sophisticated pattern plate to make a grand impression on the way to the elevator. The custom fabricated steel and glass partitions, the bronze-trimmed paneled walls, and the cut slab stone flooring were designed to be elegantly playful and to introduce the aesthetic of the rest of the home. Even though the elevator is a transitional space, I took the opportunity to make it a room using the same materials I use throughout the rest of the home. The parlor level is a multi-use space where the family can both relax and entertain. This floor is effortlessly divided into a sitting room, a media room, and a formal bar where guests can sit back with a stylish cocktail. What I like most about this space is the walnut bar. We incorporated channeled leather panels with an antique mirror back bar to create a chic boutique hotel feel. The double-height window provides beautiful light and combines the parlor level with the third-floor dining mezzanine and has the perfect place for a piano. Who wouldn't be impressed? On the third floor, our design story continues in the kitchen and dining spaces, where the same bronze trims, architectural steel, elegant stone surfaces, and Versailles parquet floors establish our 1920 chic backdrop. Here, antiques and artwork sourced from galleries in Paris are on display, namely this exquisite tiered crystal chandelier. I really love the view from the mezzanine looking out this double-height window. I wanted the space to be comfortable for the family, and the modern kitchen juxtaposed with the Art Deco details is a perfect representation of my style. The home has 4 distinct bedrooms, each with high-end textiles and materials. And the entire 6th floor has been reserved for the master suite. I worked closely with the clients to provide a fashionable yet effective space for everyday living. Beautiful jacquard stark carpeting and frette couture textiles provide fashion, where thoughtfully planned built-ins provide function. Automated custom drapery is programmed to open and close upon schedule, and a recessed Hollywood makeup mirror is seamlessly integrated into their daily routine. The custom master closet also has a channeled glass wall, and the floor-to-ceiling stone in the master bath gives it a spa-like feel. But if you want to go to an actual spa, you should check out the hammam in the basement. I really love giving a modern spin to Art Deco design, and this is one of my sexiest projects. I'm very happy you had a chance to take a look.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?